Inside every hydraulic breaker, there beats a heart, the piston. If this single hammer part fails, the entire machine stops breathing. And here at Beilite, the difference between life and death is measured in microns. This is the final frontier of precision manufacturing, cylindrical grinding. The piston you see has already survived heat treatment and CNC machining, but now it faces its ultimate trial, the grinding room. We begin with rough grinding, carving out the core geometry. It's about power and efficiency, but perfection doesn't happen here. Perfection begins with fine grinding a surface so smooth it becomes a mirror. This microscopic finish reduces friction, protects seals from wear, and ensures that every drop of hydraulic power turns into pure braking force, not wasted heat. Here, even a tiny mistake a few microns off can cost in-field repair. That's why, at Beilite, we don't allow mistakes. Precision isn't our goal, it's our standard. But even a perfect piston is just potential without power flowing through it. It's lifeless steel, so where does that power come from? In our next episode, we open up the hidden channels inside every Beilite hammer and reveal how precision drilling turns hydraulic energy into unstoppable impact. Subscribe now and join us as we trace the hidden path of power, the secret lifeline inside every Beilite hydraulic breaker.